finger, and then I waved at him and he gave me the nod. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. You know, it's been kind of disappointing after putting on this awesome shifter and the SLR mini kit to make my steering so much quicker, and then have to deal with my clutch going out. So I can't drift in the dry until I switch my clutch, which you guys know I'm going to be putting in the 6-speed as well. So I think in the rain we can make it work. Look at this SLR kit, dude. I barely got to move this wheel. Holy crap, it still surprises me at how quick the steering is on this. If you don't know anything about these quick steer kits, lots of companies make them. Look at how little I have to move the steering wheel. This is nuts. We'll sneak in here real quick. So bumpy. I have yet to find the ideal place to slide around here. But we're looking. Jeez, you see me dodging rocks like that whole slide. Oh my gosh. Still searching. Nothing down here except for a cul-de-sac. Those are always fun. So sticky. This is ridiculous. I'm sliding around in here. Some guy decides to be a vigilante and try to lock me in. Don't know what that's about. Don't know what the point of that was. Some people just don't want you to have any fun. I don't get it. Dun, da, da, da. You gotta slide where you can. Gosh, that is so slippery. It's like I'm on ice. Look at this. That is crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Finally, holy cow. It took long enough to find a good place to drift.